Hello? Hey, Larry. How you doing?
I'm doing all right. I can't complain.
Yeah, I feel you.
Hey, about this petition, that ain't gonna do it itself. I think what I'm gonna have to do is really try to take this into the court, you know?
Listen, man. I got some bad news. I confirmed it. It's confirmed. Jay Prince, Sr. Yeah, he set you up.
Okay. You know, I told it didn't go through.
I feel you on that, but you know, Jay, he working with them people, man. He got some people in Congress, man, and they working behind the scenes to keep you in there and to keep him out here, 'cause he doing good for them.
The thing is, with that ain't gonna never change.
Yeah. I feel you, man. I feel you.
But things are moving.
I was supposed to talk to Jeff later on, so we gonna figure it all out. But I'm putting people in place in Las Vegas. Stay in tune with him, you know, eye to eye. Make sure I don't lose touch with his moves out there. So I got a location on his ranch, his condo, and his home in Las Vegas. I'm waiting on a confirmation on everything out there in Belize. I'm getting everything together right now. I promise you.
Yeah, well, this Andrew